Hello and welcome back to another tutorial for Place My App. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about templates, the current ones that are currently here that I've created, and how to switch them out and kind of what they do. So I've taken the liberty of taking the home template, right-clicking on it, choosing duplicate, and creating the test page. We're looking at the test page here, and as you can see, it looks exactly like the home page. Why is that? Well, because it uses the home page template. Now, I've gone ahead and fixed the issue where you could see other templates you didn't need to, so feel free to use any of these ones that you see. To quickly go over them, you have the calculator, which has a calculator on it. You have the general Real Assist, which is basically, it's a blank page. Mainly, it would just be you entering stuff into the content field. So if you feel like writing a big diatribe, just go right ahead. You have the home template, which is the one that has all the different menu items on here and has the lovely MIG-X here at the bottom. And then you have news, which brings in current news, and rates, which brings in the current rates. So let's just say for the test page, I wanted to change it to general. Okay. Now that we've changed it to general, we see that it's changed a bit. MIG-X is no longer there. Let's go ahead and click Save and refresh this page. Haha, all that stuff has disappeared. Your footer has remained the same, and the information that was previously entered here at the bottom is still retained. So let's go ahead and change this on up here. Hello. This is a test, and it is working fantastic. You can, using this word editor here, add in all sorts of different things. You can add in links, you can add in photos, you can go ahead and align the text. Basically, I think you're familiar enough with how these sort of interfaces work. And just know that everything will work fine. So you make links, you put in a photo in there, and you make the photo a link. You make it, you format it a certain way. It's gonna look great. But don't forget to always hit save. Well, make sure that your page is published if you want people to see it. And click save. If you want to work on it and you're not ready, leave it unpublished. That's up to you. So now that we've made the changes, let's refresh this page. Hello, this is a test and it is working fantastic. Excellent. So that's how templates work. And currently you start off with the default of using all the different templates except for the general one. So home is your home template, news is news, calculator is calculator, rates is rates. Nothing too surprising there, but I will be adding more templates in the future as needed. So these things may change from time to time, but you have full access and full freedom to use all of these as you see fit. If you don't want the calculator, just go in there and delete the calculator or make it unpublished, delete, whatever. So all right, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.